Welcome back, I'm Johnny Clouds, and today we're talking about the Boulder Rock pod system. Inside the box comes one pod system, one pod, and one bottle of tobacco flavored e-juice. But let's take it downtown, take it up close and personal, and take a look at the Boulder Rock pod system. All right, let's take a look at the Boulder Rock pod system. The Boulder Rock pod system features a 2 ml pod. To fill it, you just take this little rubber gasket out here, like so. And what are we gonna vape on today? Here's a little gasket here. We're gonna vape on some Ruthless Easy Does It on Ice Antidote. This is 35 salt nic. This is a blueberry mango menthol. It's fantastic here, so let's fill this up. All you gotta do is take the little gasket out, like so, and there's a nice big fill port right on the side here. And just fill it like this. One of the things I like about the pods are they're clear and easy to see through. The one thing we do suggest is once you fill it, let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes so the wick is completely saturated. The gasket that goes with the pod is decent size, so you can actually grab it, unlike some devices. This one right here, so you just pop it in back like this and push it like that. And you can see here, just turn this upside down, and you'll see once the wick is actually saturated. So we always suggest give it 3 to 4 minutes, like so. But we'll put this down for a minute. As for the device, features USB quick charge, like so. Just plug it in your computer or charger cube or whatever. Also features push button actuation, like this. So when you push it, 1, 2, 3, boom, turns it on. To fire it, you hold the button down. Oh, I just turned it off. 1, 2, 3, like that. And hold the button down to fire. It features quick charge on it, which is nice. Little cap for the USB. And the pods fit nicely, like so. And it's got magnets inside, right there, that connect right here to hold the pod in place. There's also a window right here where you can actually see how full your pod is. But let's take it up top, take a vape on it, and see what we think. All right, back on top with the Boulder Rock pod system. Let's take a rip and see what we think. Well, the flavor's decent, not bad. The form factor, I like a lot, comparatively speaking. I do like a pen here. I do like the fact that it's small, you know, and thin, and not like a really fat system, like Aspire Breeze. So if you like a smaller system, that, and a little slimmer, slips in the pocket real easy, this might be the device for you. As for the features, I do like the fact that easy plug-in, USB, push button, so you get a more consistent vape. Some people like the self-actuated ones. I like the push button ones also because you get a consistent vape every time and not how hard you pull it, like on the self-actuated systems. The mouthpiece is really comfortable. It's pretty thin. Another pro in my opinion. The battery life, 360 milliamp hours, and you can charge it in 45 minutes. I like that a lot. I'll consider that a pro too. As for the vape, I like it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and you'll get notified on future product reviews. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Johnny Clouds, signing off. All right, YouTube. Keep it cloudy.